What's up, guys? Welcome back to
guys.
another video. We're trying some more snacks.
Yay.
Yay.
I'm excited.
I feel like me really that far from the camera. But anyway, guys, I'm sorry. Okay, like we said, welcome back to another video. Before we get into trying any snacks, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You hear them what nice with your chair make? Guys, listen. So, if you realize the location keeps changing, well, no, this is the first time we're changing locations. Second time. Yeah, so the second location was just because it was more convenient. This one right here is just because we don't have a choice. Because I'm moving next month, so I sold just about everything. So wherever we can do the video, we're just doing the video, okay? So that's why
sorry about
you're
my
seeing a
noisy
different
chair, guys.
background. Yes, I sold the dining table, so you know, it is what it is. Right, we're still making sure we're getting the videos done,
Yeah.
okay? Okay, so the first thing, we're going to go with this thing right here.
What is it?
So it looks like the goldfish crackers. Honestly, I don't know what it is.
I see Marine Boy, and there's
Marine
something
Boy.
written underneath it.
Can't say that. Can't pronounce it. So
So me talk about this when I'm supposed to eat something when I can't call. I can't pronounce the name and it. I shouldn't eat it.
yeah, so product of Korea.
Okay.
Korea always coming through with this stuff.
Okay.
What that the ones you can't even pronounce. I think it's just gonna taste like the regular goldfish, but we'll see. Yep, don't look like it.
Good side.
It's really like
Like
it's just
worm.
a puffy snack. There's nothing. No, worm, but there's nothing on the inside. It's really shallow.
A different shape scale.
Yeah.
They have fish.
There's a dolphin.
A dolphin.
So it's just different.
It feels like
Different shapes.
tastes like cornflakes. You know the plain cornflakes.
Yeah, but this has seasoning though.
Yeah.
There's some seasoning on there. It doesn't taste bad though, but
taste
there's
bad.
there's nothing on the inside. It's just hollow. So when you bite it, it just crumbles.
Yeah.
So see, this one is broken. As you can see, nothing on the inside.
I kind of like it.
Oh, no, it's not bad. We still don't know what it is, but yeah.
And I'm here eating it and don't know what I'm eating.
Sometimes it's best that way.
No.
You don't know, you just go ahead and eat, cause
Next thing I eat
you
worm.
might not like it when you find out. So just eat.
Oh, Jesus.
No, not me. If I don't know, me not eating.
We don't know that we will just eat.
That's very true. I know what's funny. This one is
Catch the right thing.
no Haiti.
Haiti with them language there?
It's
Them
a
right
Haiti.
in there?
See Haiti.
Okay.
Cannot read it. Cannot read it. All we know, it's crackers based on the front. So let's just try it and see what happens. It's just regular biscuit. Regular crackers like Ritz. Yeah,
Without
Ritz.
the salt.
Well, like Ritz or club crackers without the salt. That's it. Don't you look so cool from our son?
Really?
My complexion is so cool. No, but yeah. No, we'll save this. This is not one of the snacks I'm going to get that show when we finish.
We're not going to dump this one here.
But guys, most of the times when we try the snacks, we just dump them because we don't like them.
Trash can because no one can eat those.
Yeah. A couple of them, TJ will eat them because he likes them. TJ is my son, if you don't know. He'll eat them, but nope.
Nice chair, Mr. Bear. Trying to keep myself steady.
And it not go sound once you put in the background music. But okay, so next we have random sours because we're starting to mix it up a little bit. Instead of just the snacks, we throw some candy from different countries.
Yeah.
Okay. Brother,
Sister.
I don't even know where this one come from. I wish I already picked it up in again, Germany.
I do not remember.
I think we picked up this one from the German aisle. Nope, Ireland. This one is from Ireland. Where did you go?
Jesus, it's a bitsy. And also an inimini.
Inimini, mind mo. It's a bitsy.
I try to stay away from green, I'm just assume so the green sour.
It's all money. It's sour. Sour but good.
Oh, sour.
It's just like any gummy bear. Sour gummy bear.
Right, sour patch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or the sour patch, but it's a little bit. You know how the sour patch
On your hard for chew.
this has the gummy bear consistency, but it tastes like the sour patch.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Chew.
TJ, here. We'll get a second a third opinion. Right, so we'll get a third opinion. Come on this side. Come over here. Taste this. Here. Just taste it. It's candy. Taste it. Do you like it? Guys, TJ is like this. Do you like it? So, okay, how much do you like it?
I don't like it, but I go to my parents. Guys, look, Terrence outside.
Okay, all right, go ahead. TJ, I shut up. TJ was like this. Alright, let's.
To my grandson.
Okay, next we have. I'm not sure if it's Bola or a L, right? Bola,
Is it
Boba.
L or B?
I don't know. Nougat biscuit. Or nougat.
Oh Lord,
How
have
do you
mercy.
pronounce it? But this one is from Taiwan. It looks so fancy.
We need to stop eating this stuff because we cannot call the name of it.
Let's see how. Comes in
Individual
packages.
wrappers.
Again, language we can't speak. One day.
Are you sure? Are you sure about that one?
One day, yeah.
Wendy.
They got all
One
these
day,
apps.
Wendy. Oh Jesus, that no look good. Why it looks okay?
Oof. That's what it looks like.
Anyway, the green stuffing inside.
I don't know what that
look,
is.
don't look right. Can I suppose you give me a fish eye for it?
No, that's,
me even know.
It looks like olives.
Did it say anything about olives on here?
I don't know, Mom.
Watch there.
Okay, you
It
try
can't
it.
come apart.
No, you try it. Okay? You try it and then let me know.
Better you eat, you know, because TJ cannot do without his grandmother.
So TJ can do without you,
Me
mother?
no know.
So TJ can't live without you, but
No.
he can live without me?
Me no know. But me know he cannot live without me. Watch it.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Kenyan, look at this I favor for.
Mommy, that is not fur.
Tastes like coffee, not true? Me not try it. Me not try it.
I think it's olive. Tastes disgusting. Disgusting. Oh my bad. Tastes disgusting. Mm-mm. 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 Mm-mm.
What?
That make nice. Mm-mm. You know, when you eat something and it just shock your system, this one just shocked my system that my brain isn't even working.
Jesus.
That was disgusting.
Who eat that though?
I'm gonna brush my teeth and get this as taste out of my mouth.
How about you, Lord?
It was good. Yeah, I don't know what's in in between the crackers, but it tastes like olives. Yeah, we ain't doing that again.
Not good.
Okay, so last one we have is Mars.
Yeah,
It's
we're
a chocolate bar.
We got space.
Yeah, we got space. This one, I think this one was Germany, because I remember we were in the German aisle. Yeah, I think this one was German.
Jesus,
What?
mercy. Really?
Looks like a Snicker. Oh,
Of
no.
Taiwan.
That's what it looks like on the inside. Caramel and whatever that is. Like Three Musketeers. If you've ever had the chocolate bar Three Musketeers, that's what it tastes like. I don't like chocolate like this. It has to have some kind of peanut. I will say peanut. I will not say it has to have peanut or something in there. I don't like it when it's just I forgot what they call this stuff, but when it's just this and the caramel, don't like it. And it's sweet. But if you like Three Musketeers, then you'll like this one. Yeah.
Sweet bag.
It's very sweet. Very sweet. Snicker, the Snicker isn't even this sweet. I'm just actually on camera. Okay, so worst.
Oh.
This one was the worst. Which one would you say next? Maybe the chocolate bar? This?
Too
Yeah.
sweet, man.
This is way too sweet, so we'll put this at number 4. What would you say next? This maybe? Yeah. Number 3 are random sewers. Probably this on number 2. Or this.
I think the other one.
Okay.
Because it's our first.
So this is number 2. Or
we still don't know the name.
yeah, we really don't know. Even if you turn it upside down, nothing.
Whichever way you turn it, you
I
just
got
cannot
nothing.
read that word, whatever it is.
Yeah, whatever. But that one's number 2. And then number 1
Good old crackers.
Yep.
Can't go wrong with your crackers.
just tastes like regular Ritz crackers.
Yep.
That's it. But if you're seeing this, that means you made it to the end of the video.
Yep.
Yes. Congratulations to you. You won a prize. No, you didn't.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in.
Yes. And let me tell you, my Sonia, Bree, Twin, yeah, Queen Nash, let me tell you, those 5, oh, and Holmes, faithful. Every week, y'all are here watching the videos,
Yeah.
liking and commenting. Trust me, we appreciate it. We love it.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yes, we appreciate it. And just continue showing us love. You know what I'm
Yep.
saying? We out here every day, no dining table and everything. Still doing the
No
video.
dining table, no sofa, there's nothing. Oh my God.
Nothing. Everything's gone because we're leaving soon.
Yep.
But yeah, I don't want to make the video too long. So appreciate you guys watching, and until next time,
Peace out.
peace out.